Hello, Bluff Creek. We are here for the Bluff Creek Physical Education Google Classroom Rundown. Now, I know we've been working on this for a little bit, but I just kind of want to go over some things if you're having some difficulties navigating. So here we are on the main page. Once you have logged in, here's our class code. And here's the main page where you will see announcements, you'll see assignments. So right now, what I want to show you is if we go up to classwork, you will see the April fitness calendar, you will see the student activity log, and that's what we're going to focus on right now. So for the April fitness calendar, some of you have this just on your Google Classroom and some of you have it as a printout. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it, open it up, and now I can see what every activity for every day is. Now, if you follow the cursor, I'm going to go to the three dots up on the right-hand corner and open this up in a new window. I want to open that up in a new tab so I can work off of it. Now I will hit the back button to close it. And now that student activity log, we'll go ahead and open that up in Google Doc. And I can write my name right up here. Then you would put your homeroom teacher right there. Now, what we want you to do is if you have completed the task on our calendar, you can put an X right where it was. So if I look Wednesday, April 1st, I'm going to go back to my calendar up top. It says hold a push-up position while saying the months of the years 3 times. Once you have completed that, you can go to your log and put the X just like I did. Now down in the My Activities, say I went for a bike ride, I raked the lawn, I played outside, I can add in those extra activities right below. When we have completed the whole month of April, you can hand these in either by sharing or we hope to see you on Monday, May 4th, back in class. Don't forget about the reflections down at the bottom. All right, Bluff Creek, thanks very much for being active in the month of April. See you soon.